Alright guys, we're going to be taking off the fog light today off of a 2007 Dodge Magnum. So I started with jacking it up. Just for the simple reason that this car's so damn low. Put this here just in case it falls. For whatever reason. So I'm going to start with taking off. There's 4 Phillips screws right here, up here, the other side. I'm going to take those off and show you what you guys have to do after that. Okay, so what I was showing you guys I was having to take off was the screws from here, from this 4 corners right here, and then the whole light just comes right out. And of course we got to unplug this right now. Yeah, that's about it. I'll show you what it is when I take it off, replace the light bulb. I'm going to just use this to get it off, just to let you guys know. I'll show you after. Okay, so we got it off, disconnected. I'm going to clean this out, sand it a little bit, buff it out a little bit, make it new again. And I'll be back to show you guys how to put it back on. Also, this is a new bulb. Old. Alright, so one more thing I want to throw in is after I took the light off, it was pretty shitty. So I just took some fine sandpaper, sanded it, wet sanded it. I'm gonna shine it up now, and I'll be back to show you that, just so I don't gotta spend the extra money to buy new ones. Alright man, well that's the best I'm gonna get it for now. I need some better stuff. This other stuff I had laying around is kind of crappy, but whatever, it's good for now. I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall the light bulb and everything, hook everything up, and show you how it looks. Alright, the bulb is in. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. Make sure it clamps on so it gets a good seal. You can get no water in there and shit like that. There's not much more to it. Let's see if it works. Alright. That's good to go. Alright, so we're gonna reinstall it now. I'll show you how to do that real quick. after you get these on, that's pretty much it. Just make sure they're snug so your fog light doesn't end up dragging on the ground. That's going to be it for this video. Like and subscribe. Thanks.